Today I share with you how to make delicious and mouth-watering breakfast. So sweetie, this time around we are taking breakfast to another level. Not every time we are going to be eating swallow now. So let me show you how to get this delicious recipe done. To begin, we are going to be needing egg, and over here we have our raw egg. All I do is to add that inside this bowl. I make use of about 5 eggs on this recipe. After adding everything, this is what I have. Next for me to do is to whisk everything together until it's nice and ready to use like this. Just whisk it and then keep it aside. Next for us to prepare is the pepper mix. Over here we are going to be needing hot pepper, onions, tomato. So what I do now is to get that chopped together. Before I get the tomato slice, all I first do is to get rid of the seed. So once I get that done, I'm just going to chop that into little bites able size like this. So just chop everything until it's ready to use like this. It was so simple. So sweetie, you need to share this recipe, like you need to share, and let's try this for ourselves. So next is to slice is the onions. Just chop that a little bit like that, and then next is to just to slice is the hot pepper. Don't forget adding pepper in your recipe, guys. So pepper is so good. It makes your food to look more flavor and at the same time more spices. So I just chop in the pepper and then everything is done at this point. So what I do now is to transfer that back inside this bigger plate, and then here we have it. So beautiful. So now I'm going to transfer everything back inside the egg like this. Next I'm going to be needing is the chicken sausage. So what I do now is to get that chop again. This is how I'm going to get that slice. First of all, I'm going to divide that into two, then use my knife to cut it into little bites like this. It was so easy, and at the same time I just love the shape. I just love the shape, like it's so beautiful. So I just get that slice until everything come out perfect like this. So now I'm going to transfer that inside this bigger plate like this. So nice. And then transfer that back again inside the egg mix. Next we are going to be needing is cheese. So over here we have this pizza cheese. I just scrape everything until it come out like this, then turn everything back inside the bowl again. So now I'm going to get that seasoning, just a little bit of seasoning like salt, and then add the Maggi seasoning. Just a powder of it is good to go, and it's going to be just small, so don't add that more spices. Okay, so all I do is to get everything stirred together until it come out together like this. At this point it's looking so beautiful. Look at that mixture. So now it's done mixing, and then keep it aside. Over here we are going to be needing this baking pan, and then next I'm going to be adding is baking paper, then adding bread on top of the baking paper. So this is me arranging the bread on top of it like this. After getting everything arranged, what I do now is to add in this tomato sauce. Over here we have tomato sauce. All I do is to add everything on top of the bread like this. So once I achieve that, I'm going to use my spoon to make everything to cover the bread. Just stir it around until it just cover everything like this. Next is to take 1 spoon of the mixture, then add in on top of each bread like this. So this time I'm going to add all of it until it gets covered. It was so easy, guys, and this recipe is everything delicious. Like it was so sweet. So this is me after adding everything. So what I do now is to transfer that back to the oven. So I'm going to use oven to get this base. See how gorgeous that look. Over here we have our oven. All I do now is to get that transfer inside the oven like this. So just the two of it is coming in at this point. I'll get that bake about 20 minutes and then see what we have. Oh my goodness, 20 minutes later, see how gorgeous this look. Are you still telling me that you are going to be eating apple early in the morning? No. You need something like this to start your day. Once you take this, like 3 pieces of this, guys, it's going to make your belly full as if it they happen. You are going to eat like you are going to belly full. People not going to be saying, so not go belly full me. No. Once you try this and eat it for breakfast, trust me, it's going to belly full. You see now, it was so beautiful. It cooked so nice. It was so tasty. At the same time, it was so delicious. All you need to do is to share for others to see. I love you, my next one. Bye.